Stay facing me. I'm going to just lift the heels off the floor. So really massage the feet into the floor. Well done. I'll face you now, so keeping doing the same thing. Try and make sure your knees are tracking forward, so you're not sort of taking them across the body or out to the side. Well done. Go a bit faster. Again, your choice if you want to keep it smaller, but the toes stay on the ground. The jogger's walk. Surprising how much hard work this can be. Arms in front. And to the side. Let's take a heel in front. So again, stay facing me. Well done. Really pulling those toes up. Back to that jogger's walk. Pulling the tummy in, keep that head tall. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm just gently bending them, sort of mini bicep curl. Let's do toe taps in front. So it's toes this time, point the toe. Really point that toe out in front. Maybe you can point with your finger as well. Do what feels right with the arms. The higher you lift them, the more likely you are to be working the back of your arms. Feel that in the back of the arms too. Well done. Last 4 count, then we're going back to the jogger's walk. Are you ready? Well done. Pulling that belly in. Make sure you've got plenty of room behind you. We're going to keep those feet moving. Arm comes over. Just the one arm. I'm just doing the one because I know if I get too close to my wall, I'm going to bash my hand. So you need to turn until you can do that nicely. Circling back, change arms. If you need to make the feet go half time, please do. It's quite hard. If that's too much, you could always take it to shoulders. But we're going to alternate the shoulders. And we're going to half time with the knees. Circle, circle, circle. Catch your breath. Well done. Ready for heels out in front. Stay facing me. Really pull those toes up towards your body. Do what feels right with the arms. Relax shoulders. Toe taps. Point. Well done. Side steps. Well done. So just be aware of how your ankles feel. Make it as big or as small as you want. So you might want to make it bigger. Let's take the foot across this time, in front, tap across. If that doesn't work for your balance, just make it slightly in front, but if you can, take it all the way across. Back to normal side step. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. So you're probably on the opposite leg to me now. I tried to switch, but it doesn't always work. So trying to touch the opposite heel, but if that doesn't work, then just take it a little toe tap behind. You're really feeling it in your bum. I'm touching my heel behind. Turning to the side slightly. Come back center to face me. Change to the other side. If that gets too much, just take it to a little toe tap. Back center. Foot across. Maybe a little bit of a shake. You can stand on one leg, flick the legs softly across, or touch the toe in front. Whatever feels right for you, for your body. It's your workout. Take it back to a side step. Well done. Shifting across to your left, so slightly bigger, slightly smaller. Are you ready? We're going to make it 2 steps in a moment. 2 steps. And back. Well done. Little shuffle there to get on the beat. Hold it here. Singles. Double. Single. Well done. Double. Single. Single. Well done. Let's change that slightly. When we get to the end, you're going to come forward for forward and back, 2. 2 forward, 2 back. To the side for 2. 2 forward, 2 back. 2 to the other side, 2 forward, 2. 2. Singles forward, singles back, double. Singles forward, well done. Particularly well done if I haven't confused you yet. Well done, just shake it. Marching on the spot. I'm trying to lift these knees, those knees, your knees, nice and high. Shoulders are relaxed, head lifted, lengthen the back of the neck. Well done. Higher you lift the knees, the harder it's going to be. So if you're new, a little bit overweight or struggling, make it smaller if you need to. Your body, your choice. I'm turning so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to go 2 forward, 2 back. Well done. 2 forward, 2 back. Hold it here on the spot. Let's take it wide, or as wide as is comfortable, so just a little bit wider, or very wide and lift the knees, really up to you. Bring it in. Two forward, 2 back, so 2 forward. Now I want to put those 2 together. So we're going to keep going forward and back. We're going to take it wider at the front, together at the back. So box step or V step, forward and back. Wide at the front, together at the back. We're going to tap and change the lead leg in a moment. So we're right leg at the moment, left leg, right, left and back. Are you ready? 4, 3, 2, tap change. So this leg comes out first. Don't worry if you haven't got it, but try and join me. Right, left. You can add your arms the same as me, really putting the arms out here so you can see which leg is going out first. You ready to do that tap change again? Let's go. This side, out. Well done. Tap change. Ready, tap change. So it's 4, 3, well done, 2. Don't worry if you haven't got it, really doesn't matter, change size. Just keep moving, do what feels right for you. Just march on the spot if you've lost it. We can do that for 2 on a tap change if you can. Again, don't worry if you can't. Tap change. Tap change for 2, 2, 1, and change. Can we do singles? Maybe. Single, tap change. You can add a little twist if you want. What I find with this one, if you add a swing of the arm, it's a lot easier to keep those feet going where they need to go and twist. But if you want to keep it small, just keep it here, a little bit forward and back, changing the leg. Tap, step, step, tap. Step, 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 tap. Well done. So make it big if you want. You can really swing it round if you want to, make those steps nice and big, or you can keep it really small and not turn it at all. It's up to you. You got to go with what feels right for your body, for your ankles. Well done. Catch the beat, right, left, right, left. So do what feels right for you in this. We're going to march quite wide in this routine, so just check that it feels right for you. Take it wide. So wide might be here, or it might be here, might be lifting the knees nice and high. Make it right for you. I'm going to stay somewhere in the middle. Feet back in. Doesn't look very, it looks very ungainly, this one. Take it wide. Feet into the centre. Well done. Too wide to end, so it goes out, out, in. Make it as wide or as small as you want. So it could be really wide. Add the arms if you can. Don't worry if you can't. Or just make it a small movement. Work with what feels right with your ankles. Marching in. And take it wide, or wider, whatever is right for you. 2 in, 2 out, in and wide. Hold it in. Take it wide. Let's do 2 each side. So tap and step, tap and step. Well done. If it doesn't work for you, if you can't quite get what I'm doing, make it up. As long as your body's comfortable and you're moving, it's all good. Well done. Marching in. Wide. Two in, 2 out. In. Well done. We're going to start to cool the body down now. So just slowly lifting the heels. Well done. If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. Really massaging the feet into the floor. Well done. Stay facing me, it makes it a lot easier. Catch your breath. Really want to get that heart rate down now. Done. We're going to touching out to the side. And just slow. You're challenging your balance here slightly, but you can put weight on that foot, you can make it small, or you can almost float the foot just above the mat, the floor. I'm about to change, and we're going to take that foot in front. Bring it back. Forward. Lift, forward. Now, if you can't lift it, just take it forward, bend, forward, and lift, forward. Doesn't have to be very high. Really challenging your balance here. If you need to hold something, please do. Must be a chair, sofa, for me the wall. Let's take it here, back to the jogger's walk, slow. Circle your shoulders back. Stay facing me again. I want your feet about hip width apart. So it's not really wide. We're going to take the right foot back. Hold it back. Push the heel down. Now adjust the front. Your knee should be above the ankle. And you might find you're here in order to get that heel down. You might find it all the way back here. Go with what works for you. Reaching forward and back. Hold it here, push that heel down. Relax your lower back. Lean on the leg if you need to. If you're struggling with your balance, take the legs a bit wider. Well done. I'm going to turn again so you can see a little bit better what's going on. Watch you've not let that heel drop in. The feet should both be pointing forward. Have a quick check, both feet pointing in the same direction. Come forward, left leg back. And in. Well done. Hold it back. Push that heel down. And adjust. Knees above the ankle at the front. You need to be able to balance. Hold it down and stretch. Well done, just hold that stretch. Watch that back foot's pointing forward and hold.